Welcome food lovers to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Today I'm here with a very easy egg recipe, egg 65. So let's take a look at the recipe. We will use only egg whites in this recipe. The egg 65 fritters are now ready. Now we will prepare the egg 65 sauce. The egg 65 is now ready. If you try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section for any question or suggestion of a recipe that you would like me to try in future. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the egg 65 with your family and friends.